Hey there, super explorers. Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered, is it going to rain today? Well, that's exactly what we're going to find out.
I bet this has happened to you. You're ready to play outside, the sun is shining, and then all of a sudden, splash, a surprise rain shower. Oh no! It happens, right? But why? It's because the weather can be a real trickster. Yeah, it loves to play games and surprise us. And that's our first big clue. You know how it is. One minute it's sunny and bright, and the next, poof, big gray clouds start rolling in. It's so hard to guess what the weather's going to do next. That's why we need help from some very smart people.
That's right, it's time to meet the super sleuths of the sky, the amazing weather detectives. Their job is to solve the mystery of the weather every single day.
So these amazing detectives have a super cool scientific name. They're called meteorologists. That's a big word. Let's say it together. Meteorologist. Awesome job. They're scientists who study all the clues to tell us if we need our umbrella or our sunglasses.
Now, every good detective needs special tools and gadgets to find clues, right? Well, meteorologists have some of the coolest gadgets you've ever seen. Come on, let's go check them out.
Whoa, look at all this cool stuff. To be a great weather detective, you need the right tools. They use all these gadgets to measure everything. How hot it is, how much it's raining, and even which way the wind is blowing. Let's look at a few of my favorites.
Okay, first up, the thermometer. You've probably seen one of these. This handy-dandy gadget tells us the temperature. Is it a hot day for shorts or a chilly day for a warm coat? The thermometer knows the answer. And check this out. This is a rain gauge. It's basically like a special ruler, but just for rain. It helps our detectives figure out if we had a tiny little sprinkle or a great big storm.
Ooh, have you ever seen one of these before? Maybe on top of an old barn? It's called a wind vane. That little arrow, or sometimes it's a rooster, it points in the direction the wind is coming from. That's a really important clue for knowing if new weather is blowing our way.
But wait, the clues aren't just down here on the ground. Nope. To see the whole picture, our weather detectives send gadgets way up into the sky on giant weather balloons. And they even use special cameras called satellites that are way out in space, looking down at Earth to watch the clouds move around. How cool is that?
Okay, so you're probably wondering, where do all these clues from all these gadgets go? Well, they all come together on a top secret map, the weather map. This is where the real detective work begins.
Now, I know this might look a little confusing at first, but think of it like a treasure map full of secret codes all about the weather. And guess what? Today, I'm going to teach you two of the most important secret codes of all.
All right, team, put on your super spy detective glasses. Let's play a game. Look really close at the map. Can you find the big blue letter H? I'll give you a second. Got it? You found it. Awesome work. That H stands for high pressure. And here's a secret to remember it. H is for happy weather. Yep, when you see a big blue H, it usually means sunny skies are here to stay.
Wow, you are a natural at this. Okay, detective, here's your next mission. Somewhere on this map is a big red letter L. Take a peek. Can you find it? Yes, you got it. That L stands for low pressure. And our secret for this one is L is for lousy weather. And L often means clouds and maybe even rain are coming soon. So just remember, H is for happy sun and L is for lousy rain. And just like that, poof! You are now all official weather detectives. You learn the secrets that meteorologists use every single day.
Let's do a super fast recap of everything we learned today. Ready? First, we learned that weather is super tricky. Then we met the real weather detectives, meteorologists. We checked out all their awesome gadgets for finding clues. And we even learned the secret codes on the weather map. So next time you look outside, remember your detective training. Look at the clouds, feel the wind on your face, and think to yourself, what clues is the weather giving me today? What kind of amazing weather detective will you be? Keep exploring and stay curious.